So this is my assessment laboratory activity, VirtualBox, and we will gonna demonstrate how to install a VirtualBox. So we're gonna go to the file, then click the link, and we will gonna click the download button, and then we will gonna choose what platform packages do you want. Mine is Windows host, so we're gonna click it and then download. So hintay lang natin na makapag-download, and then proceed tayo. So tapos na siyang mag-download, and then click natin siya to open. So preparing to install. So click lang natin next, then next, yes, and then next, install. So wait lang natin hanggang sa mag 100% na, no, habang nag-i-install. So yan, this may take several minutes. We just wait it. So we'll click, after that we will click the finish. And then that's it. So thank you and goodbye.